Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I want to thank for all my new subscribers. Um, I do appreciate you subscribing. Hopefully I am trying to push out content that I think people would like. And so today I'm here to share a quick card, and this is for hashtag SatMornMakes. Um, Hosted by Jill and Jill Norwood, and I'll have her link down below so everybody can go check her out. Saturday Morning Makes was launched in 2020, so this is Jill's 6-year hosting Satmorn Makes, and it she wanted um, to craft a little bit every day. Our lives are so busy, and with COVID, when COVID happened, she wanted to connect with everybody, and um, while we were all stuck indoors, and so 6 years, wow, congratulations, Jill. What an accomplishment. Well, she's been crafting for many years, just like a lot of us have been crafting, and so I'm here to share a quick birthday card for my daughter. She just turned 21 last week, and I wanted to make her a special card. And when I came back from vacation, I was not in a crafting mood. I guess I was just trying to recuperate from the jet lag and everything. And finally, I came into my craft room and made her a card. And here it is. How cute. I think it's adorable. So I used different pattern paper. Her favorite color is pink. I love these dolls from Hobby Lobby. They don't have them anymore, but these were like the ephemera pieces that they carried back when. I think it's been a couple years now. Um, I used this circle die set. Um, I I think I just bought this not too long ago. Um, so I used that one, and then I used a circle die that I had in my stash. It's a generic brand. And I used Wishing You a Beautiful Day. Um, I used an old stamp set I had in my stash. It's from Whimsical Designs, and they no longer are in business. I was a designer for her and her company, and so I was like, oh my gosh, I have these still in my stash. Like, this would be great for Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh. Um, so I picked this one, Wishing You a Beautiful Day, and then I also used another old stamp set. This is from Kaiser Craft, and it has all these, I'm sorry for the glare, has all these like limited edition, genuine, and I was trying to sell my stamp sets, but I know a lot of people don't like to buy destashes without the packaging, and so I'm just keeping these, and I'm finally, using them, which is great. So I stamped it on that circle, backed it with the pink cardstock with the scallop lace, or I'm sorry, the lacy circles. There's the 100% original. And then I had, since I had these hearts in my, out, because I did my deck the year, I figured I'd add some of the hearts, the felt heart stickers, and these are stickers. And then I added some, again, I had these on my desk and I was like, oh, well, I might as well use them. And they went perfectly with the card. I didn't even add anything in I should. um, I will get a piece of the pattern paper and I'll add it to the inside. That's terrible. I'm terrible. And then I added some pearls to her card. I pop dot the circle with some foam tape. You can see that there. Um, but yeah, so I just had some scraps of paper and I knew she loved pink. And so there's my card. I just love this girl. I still have, I think I had 2 packs of these girls, so I still have quite a bit of them. I had a feeling that they weren't going to carry these girls anymore. I'm so glad I still have a couple more in my stash. And so, yeah, that is my card for this week for Satmorn Makes. I'll have the hashtag in my title so everybody can go check out everybody's creations. I think there's quite a bit of people joining in this week because I think we're all snowed in and, you know, we want to craft. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend. Stay safe out there. We're supposed to get a dusting this weekend. Yeah, hopefully it's not as much as we've had. And also, um, we're gonna warm up a little bit because lately we've been not even above freezing. So that's why there's so much snow on the roads and in our yards and everything. So I want to thank everybody once again and have a great and safe weekend. Bye now.